The place I slept last night. Where is the place you grew up? Is the city he used to live in expensive to live in? Don't you wish he would leave it in a place that was easy to find? Wasn't that the place you went to on the 3rd of March? He must have left it at his office where he works. Will you be able to find the apartment building he's been living in? How long will it take to get to the place that they're having the meeting? What was the apartment he decided to buy like? Are you interested in going to eat at the restaurant that they went to last night? Did you end up going to the same place you like dancing on the weekend? Did he say that the place he went on vacation was worth going to again? How often do you get to go to the place your kids live now? Where is the place she hid the money she took from you? Did she have you take her back to the place where you first went out on a date? Did you tell them that they could go get it at the store that's near your house? Is there a place that's nearby that I can pick it up at? Does the movie theater that you go to serve meals to the customers too? Will I be able to get it at the same grocery store that I go to? Have you been to the new stadium where they're playing soccer? Shouldn't they have taken it to the place they first bought it to repair it?